Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get resume format. First, select a clean, professional template that enhances readability. Opt for standard fonts such as Arial or Calibri, keeping the size between 10 and 12 points for body text. Consistency is key. Make sure your headings, bullet points, and spacing are uniform across all sections. This initial step sets the foundation for a polished and effective resume. Next, focus on the essential sections: contact information, a compelling summary or objective, detailed work experience, and your educational background. When describing your achievements, always quantify them with specific numbers, such as increased sales by 15% or managed a team of 6. Remember to tailor your resume for each application, incorporating keywords from the job description to pass applicant tracking systems. For visual impact, utilize white space effectively to prevent your resume from looking cluttered. Generally, aim for a one-page resume if you have less than 10 years of experience. 2 pages are acceptable for more seasoned professionals. Before submitting, meticulously proofread your entire document. Even minor grammatical errors or typos can detract from your professionalism and attention to detail. Finally, have a trusted friend or mentor review your resume for any overlooked errors or areas for improvement. Always save your finished resume as a PDF file to ensure that its formatting remains consistent across different devices and operating systems. This prevents any unexpected layout changes. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.